Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is minimum deletions to make a string K special. Yes. So what the question is all about. So in this question, we are given a string and also a integer. Now, what we need to do is we need to find out, first of all, we need to find out all the frequencies of the word and make sure that any two characters, let's say first character have a frequency x and the next character have a frequency I, then their difference should be lesser than or equals to k. So if their difference is more, then we need to decrease their frequency. That means we need to remove those characters from the string. And we need to count how many minimum number of characters we can remove from the string to make it a case special or such kind of a string. Okay. So yeah, this is the question. So let us see this example as well. So in this question, A comes 3 times, B comes 2 times, and C occurs 1. A comes 3 times, B comes 2 times, and the K is 0. So I need to make sure that all frequencies are all should have the same frequency. Now I know that C has only one frequency, B has two, and A has three. So what I can do, I can completely eliminate C. Okay, B is 4. And then reduce. Either I can reduce frequency of, only I can reduce. So I will reduce the frequency of A from 4 to 2. So this is some sort of a question. So now how we can approach it? First of all, we can think of having all the frequencies, and since these are only characters, we can store it in the frequency array. So we can make a frequency array which will be initialized to 0, and then we can have the frequency of the characters which we have. Now we will sort the array. Now why we are sorting the array? See, we want the minimum number of deletions we want to make. And by sorting the array, okay, let's see some case. Let's say that let's say there is 1, 2, 5, and 6. These are the frequencies of the characters we have. I am not at all interested in the characters. I am just interested in the frequency of these characters. And let's say k equals to let's say k equals to 2. Now the first thing we should think about, now if these two are managed, for instance, if 1 and 6, the rightmost and leftmost are managed, then I can automatically say that the innermost will be managed because they are inside this range and their difference has to be less than this. 1 minus 6 is 5. I am taking the absolute value. So any number residing between cannot have a difference greater than 5. So we will target to reduce these. We will target to reduce these numbers, one outermost numbers. Innermost numbers, we will only consider when there is a problem. Outermost, when even after solving outermost, we are having problems in the innermost circuit, innermost characters, frequencies. So now the question arises, should I delete from right or should I delete from left? Now you can try using greedy, and you can make cases, but you will realize that it will fail on many such occasions. You can be like, okay, I will check the next character, which one is nearer, then I will decide should I delete from left or should I delete from right. But there will be cases, you can make such cases based upon cases, but there will be cases your code can fail. So you will, sooner or later, you must realize that you have to try all possible ways, and which can be done only using, not only, which can be done using dynamic programming or recursion. So we will think of recursion. And one more hint of thinking of recursion is having left and right pointers. So we are having left and right pointers. So we can very well think of recursion coming in our way. Now we are memoizing it. So we are having a memoized solution. We can definitely convert it into iterative as well. Yeah. So we can have this in solve where I and j are the pointers. Initially, they will be leftmost and rightmost element array, a DP array, and the now if I is greater than equal to j, that means it's done. You can return 0. If this condition state that it is already sorted, that means your leftmost and rightmost are already sorted. So there is no need to check inside. So you can clearly return 0. If dp of I comma j is not equal to -1, then return dp of simple memoization step. Then you can use the two cases. Either you can take the left one. Now, if you will take the left one, then you will increase your I pointer and call the rest. Okay, so in answer, you will add the left one. You are completely eliminating that. You are completely eliminating that. Now, if you are taking the right one, then you are not completely eliminating that. You are eliminating, you are taking whatever you want. ARR of j minus ARR of I minus. And you are calling the solve function again with j minus 1. So these are the two options you had. You chose. Okay. Now you will store in the DP whether to take left or to take right answer. And you will simply return DP of I minus j. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, you like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.